Hello friends, my name is Rajesh Babbar. Welcome to my channel C Astrology, and we are learning Naadi astrology. So today I will share you a very wonderful technique about Trigunandi Naadi, Saturn and Moon conjunction. Saturn and Moon conjunction is a very important conjunction in the Naadi astrology, and a lot of predictions can be made regarding this. Around 20-21 predictions I have written here, and one by one I am going to elaborate on the subject. I request you to kindly watch the video till end. So before I begin my video, I pray to Lord Ganesha and Lord Shanidev help us to learn this divine knowledge of Nadi astrology. So in Nadi, Saturn is profession, Moon is mother, Moon is change, Moon is travel, Moon is a foreign planet, Moon is water, Moon is ocean, traveling to foreign countries, Moon is a wavering mind, and Moon is also the planet of happiness and the mentality of a person. Whereas Saturn is profession, Saturn is long distance travels, Saturn is hurdles also. So I'm not taking so many things into consideration. With only few combinations, I'm going to explain you one by one what does this conjunction of Saturn and Moon is in what does this conjunction of Saturn and Moon defines, or how you can predict about this conjunction. So first, I have written all the points one by one. I'm going to explain you. When there is a Saturn Moon conjunction, irrespective whether it's a male chart or a female chart, these predictions are common for both male and female charts. But some alterations are there in female charts that I will try to cover at the end of the video. So stingy. Mostly when Saturn and Moon are conjunct, at times, not always, at times when they are placed in certain signs and certain planets aspect them, if Mercury also aspect this conjunction, these people are very stingy. They will not spend money so lavishly. They will think before spending. But this is not always applicable. It depends on certain signs, but it is a general prediction. Now second, delay. When Saturn and Moon are in conjunction, there is always delay in their work. They will have problems in their work, but delay is the main factor. They will always have delay in their work. There can be delay in some other things that I will explain to you in other points. Second, Saturn and Moon conjunction. When you have this conjunction, lot of people, they like to work on their own. They are self-dependent persons. They are not dependent on others. This is their mentality. Even if they are in the job, they are doing a job, side by side, they will always do their own work. So Saturn and Moon conjunction is a conjunction which prompts a native to start his own business, because he cannot work under someone. This is the beauty of Saturn and Moon conjunction. Saturn and Moon conjunction, people are very active at times when this conjunction is placed in a movable signs. So these people are very active, but when it is placed in some other signs, these people become very lazy, and sometimes you will see for 15 to 20 days, even for a month, they will not go to their workplace, or they will just stay inside their house alone, and they will become very lazy. So sometimes this combination makes the person very active, and especially when they are placed, when this conjunction is in movable signs. But at times these people, they become lazy when they are placed in other signs. These people, Saturn and Moon conjunction, whether it's a male chart or a female chart, they are very good at calculation if they are placed in a good signs. Second, Saturn and Moon conjunction, whenever these people, they visit someone's house or they visit a place, they will definitely look at negative things first. They will point out at negative things first in that house or at that place they visit. Because the reason behind this is Moon is the mind of the native. Saturn is like, problematic planet. It's a very slow moving planet. Moon is a very fast moving planet. So these people normally, if the Jupiter is not involved in this conjunction, then they become very negative in their life. So whenever they visit a house or whenever they visit a place, they will always try to point negative things first. That is their tendency. Secondly, in some signs, not always, Saturn Moon conjunction makes a person that he eats a lot, especially in Cancer sign. You will notice this person has the habit to eat a lot, and this eating a lot always gives them gastric problems or problems related to the stomach. Same issues like gastric problems are with the mother also. The mother can have arthritis problem also if Saturn and Moon are in conjunction. Irrespective of the sign, I'm not taking sign into consideration now. I'm not taking the aspect of other planets also into consideration. Saturn and Moon conjunction, they love to eat in some particular signs, and due to this overeating, they will definitely have problems, gastric problems, or they will have problems in their liver or digestion. Same problems will have same problems will be to the mother of the native. She will also have gastric issues, and she will always, and at times she can have arthritis problems also, like problems in the bones, or there will be pain in the legs. So this is a strong combination. So this is the effect of Saturn and Moon. Because Saturn gives long distance travels and Moon is also the planet of travel. So these people, they love to travel even if they are within their city, then also they will love to travel. They will like to spend time with their friends, because the habit of eating or habit of enjoying, this prompts them to travel a lot, or some people even travel to foreign countries or other cities for profession and work, because Saturn is profession. Gastric issues, I have told you, mother, because Moon is the mother and Saturn is a problematic planet. So mother in her early life will definitely have a lot of hardships, but she is a very strong lady. She will overcome all these difficulties, and even in some cases you will see, when there is Saturn and Moon conjunction in a native's birth chart, the mother of that native will be a very, very strong lady. So if Moon follows Saturn, Saturn is ahead of Moon in degrees, then mother can always speak lies, or she will have to hide some things for the favor of the family. That is the predictions you can make here. The mother, a strong lady, I have already told. Education. So people with this Saturn and Moon combination, in some cases, if there is no benefic aspect, they will have problems in education, or there will be delay in education. But at last, the education is completed. There would be, and there won't be any problem. Lot of people who have Saturn and Moon conjunction, they are into public dealing. They can be into technical field, they can be into educational fields, depends upon the other planet aspects and other planets who are placed with this conjunction. But normally, when Saturn and Moon are together, they are into public dealing. Traveling, I have already told. Saturn and Moon combination, these people have a very wavering mind. They can't stick to one decision. They will change their decisions frequently, and this changing of decisions frequently definitely gives problem in the profession of the native. So there will be a lot of ups and downs in the profession. They will change profession so many times, and the profession is not stable until and unless if there is the aspect of Jupiter, or Jupiter is in trine to this combination, then there is stability. If Jupiter is in trine to this combination, then the person, he or she can go for teaching, or he can also become a lawyer. So public dealing is there a lot. Wavering mind, I have told you. The major impact of Saturn and Moon conjunction is trouble in marriage. Trouble in marriage or a delay marriage. So there is a basic logic behind this. Why there is delay in marriage? why there is trouble in marriage, or on the day of marriage there will be lot of troubles. They will forget something, or they will there will be a lot of problems, there will be a lot of delays or something like that, because moon is the planet of happiness. Moon is the Karaka planet for Mangal Sutra in female charts. So when especially females have this combination of Saturn and Moon conjunction, definitely at the time of marriage there will be a lot of problems, or even before marriage they will be not sure whether they will get married properly or not. There won't be any problem. They're always scared. Even at the last moment of the marriage, there can be problems if this conjunction is there in a female chart, because moon is a Mangal Sutra. So delay in marriage, normally you will see if Jupiter is not there or benefic planets don't aspect this combination, then Saturn Moon delays marriage. The reason I have told you, because moon is the Mangal Sutra. If a female has this combination of Saturn and Moon in her chart and she gets married, so her mother-in-law or the other family members, they will definitely put lot of blames and accusations on that lady, the female native who gets married. So this is the problem with Saturn and Moon are in conjunction. These people, they are very hard-working people, and I have told earlier also, they don't like to work under someone, but in some cases when they are into job, they definitely start their own setup also side by side, because they are very practical persons. They love practical things and they are very hard-working people. Secondly, if Saturn and Moon are in conjunction in any sign, I'm not taking signs into consideration, male chart, female chart, applicable to both, mother and the native can have same profession. At times I have seen in lot of charts when Saturn and Moon are in conjunction, mother and the native, they have the same profession, or they are in the same professional line. Maybe both can be in the medical field, but the profiles can be different. They can be in teaching field, but the profiles can be different. Saturn and Moon conjunction, mostly if it is in Aries, mostly when it is in Aries sign and aspected by Mars, people love to be technical persons. So Saturn Moon conjunction in Aries, they are technical persons, and other signs also helps a lot in this predictions. But when this combination is particular in Saturn Moon, when this combination is in Aries, their diversion is towards technical field. Saturn Moon conjunction, because Saturn is a problematic planet, it is a slow moving planet, and Moon is a fast moving planet. So definitely it will spoil the mind of the native, and this gives problem in the marital life, because the decisions of the native are sometimes are very slow, sometimes are very fast. So this does not give a proper balance in the marriage. So Saturn and Moon conjunction, male chart, female chart, they will have problems related to mind. They will not be able to take timely decisions, or decisions can go wrong at times. Then Saturn Moon conjunction, because Moon is mother and Saturn is a long distance travel giver planet. So mother can travel to foreign country, maybe one of her sons or one of her daughter or one of her relative stays abroad. She can travel abroad to visit her relatives. This travel can be with her children or for children. It depends upon other combinations. So practical things I have already told you before. So I think I have covered all the points related to Saturn and Moon conjunction. This is a very important conjunction in any chart. When you see this conjunction, definitely there will be problems during the marriage. Even at the day of marriage, there will be a lot of problems. So people with this conjunction, they have to be very careful when they select a Muhurta for the marriage. So when you select a Muhurta for the marriage, and if Saturn and Moon are in trine, Saturn and Moon have any connection, maybe there is a Rashi Parivartana of Saturn and Moon. Saturn and Moon are opposite. Moon is in Saturn's sign, or Moon is in Saturn's nakshatra, or Saturn is in Moon's sign, or Saturn is in Moon's nakshatra, then you have to be careful. Or Saturn is aspecting Moon. You have to be very careful when you cast that Muhurta for the marriage. Because if you have this combination in your birth chart, and at the Muhurta also there is a combination of Saturn and Moon, this will definitely give problems. Definitely there will be a lot of problems on the day of marriage. There can be day of marriage, or sometimes the marriages can break also. This combination of Saturn and Moon can give break in marriages also. Even the marriage is fixed and about to happen, just before 2 or 3 days there will be problem and the marriage will break. So this is all about Saturn and Moon conjunction. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.